Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to pair Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch OLED. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the AirPods. You can use any Bluetooth headphones, any other wireless earbuds, whatever they're called. Let's get started. So first of all, I want you to open up System Settings, scroll to the very bottom, and you want to see Bluetooth Audio right here. If you don't see Bluetooth Audio, tap on System, System Update, and update to the latest system version on your Nintendo Switch. If you do have Bluetooth Audio, just tap on it, then tap on Add Device. So just tap on that again, and it says scanning for Bluetooth audio devices. So what you need to do is put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Now, each Bluetooth device has a different process, but usually there will be a button that you need to press. So on the AirPods, you just need to open up the case and then hold down the pairing button at the back. If you have some other Bluetooth headphones and you don't know how to put it into pairing mode, just look up a tutorial online. So I just need to hold down this white button, and once the LED starts flickering, I need to release it. And eventually, the Nintendo Switch OLED will recognize your Bluetooth headphones. So this takes a bit longer than usual. Let's say if you had an iPhone, it's almost instant, but you can see it does take a bit of time here. But you can see our AirPods Pro. Let's tap on that. And any moment now, boom, just like that, connected to Bluetooth audio. We've successfully paired my AirPods to the Nintendo Switch. If you have any other Bluetooth headphones, those should also be successfully paired as well. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Make sure to check out my playlist on the end screen to a bunch of Nintendo Switch OLED tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.